Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, towel-dried hair so the leave-in can absorb instead of sliding off. Once damp, divide hair into 4 sections to ensure even coverage. This prevents roots from looking greasy and ends from staying dry. Use 1-2 pumps for short hair, 3-4 for medium to long, and emulsify between palms. Apply from mid-lengths to ends first. Those are the driest, and then lightly mist the roots if needed. This approach balances moisture and avoids weighing hair down. Once you've applied product, you need to distribute it thoroughly so every strand benefits. You should comb with a wide-tooth comb starting at the ends and working up to the roots. This reduces breakage and spreads the leave-in evenly. If you hit a stubborn knot, add a tiny extra dot to that area and gently work it free. Make sure to choose air dry for natural texture or blow dry on low heat to lock in shape. Both preserve moisture and reduce frizz. You finish by styling as you normally would, keeping heat low to protect the conditioned hair. This step seals the benefits and prevents damage. If your ends are extremely dry, add an extra half pump just to those tips before styling. Make sure to monitor how hair feels over the next day. If it becomes heavy or limp, rinse lightly, towel blot, and use less product next time. That simple adjustment corrects over-application and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.